Discover some of the features and functions of your Electrolux wall oven that will help you deliver delicious results. Before you begin, there are a few steps you can take to customize your cooking experience. Touch menu options and scroll to your desired option. Then, choose an option to set your preference. Some menu options include oven light, clock, and general settings. Touch general settings to change things like temperature unit, volume, screen brightness, and language preferences. Running a test bake will help you determine if your wall oven is working properly. Set your oven to bake and let it run for 30 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius. Note: it's normal to experience some smoke and noises during the first test bake. Don't forget to download the Electrolux app from the Apple or Google Play stores. Many features on your wall oven can be controlled from your smartphone. Be sure to read the Get Connected card before setting up your smartphone to connect to your oven. More information can also be found on the Electrolux website under Connected Appliance FAQs. In menu options, scroll to Connectivity and select your home network. Follow instructions prompted in the app. Watch the Connecting Your Appliance to the Electrolux app for more information. Your wall oven comes equipped with glide racks that can be pulled away from the oven without rubbing or scuffing the oven walls. To remove them, make sure the rack is in the closed position. Use one hand to grasp both the upper and lower bars on the glide rack. Then, pull the glide rack out until it reaches the stop position, and use both hands to lift the front of the rack and pull it away from the oven. To replace the racks, simply reverse the removal process. Cleaning the interior of your oven regularly with mild soap and water or a gentle cleaner can help you avoid hard-to-clean, baked-on messes. Your oven also comes with 2 cleaning functions. Use the Steam Clean option for small spills. For deeper cleaning and baked-on messes, use Self Clean. To steam clean, start by cleaning loose grease and debris from the oven. Then pour 1 cup of tap water into the oven bottom and set the steam clean cycle. Make sure you remove all interior racks before starting a steam clean or self-clean cycle. For more information and tips, reference your use and care manual or visit us online on the Electrolux website. For better living, Electrolux.